Good morning, children. After the explanation of chapter 8 in grammar future time, now we are going to do in grammar textbook. So, everybody open your grammar textbook, page 53. Open your grammar textbook, page 53. Chapter 8 future time. Let's do. Read these sentences. My sister drives to work. My sister drove to work yesterday. My sister will drive to work tomorrow. The verb in the sentences above are drive, drove, will drive. What kind of time does each present? We can talk about things happening at three different times. The three times that we talk about are present time, past time, future time. Drive goes to present time, drove will go to past time, and will drive is a future time. Example, present time. I go to school every day. Past time is I went to school yesterday. Future time, I will go to school tomorrow. I will go to school tomorrow. Did you notice how the three times are presented by the verbs in the sentences? Did you notice how the three times are presented by the verbs in the sentences? Past time is drove, present time is drive, past time is drove, and future time is will drive. Future time means the time which is going to come, past time the time which has been gone away, and present time means the time which is at the present going on. Now we'll go to the next page. Page number 54. 54. We have already learned how to talk about present time and past time. Let us see how we talk about future time. We already have learned about the present time and past time. Now let us see how we talk about future time. When a verb talks about an action which will happen in future, when a verb talks about an action which will happen in future time, it is said to be in future time. It is said to be in future time. It is commonly denoted by using will before the present form of the verb. It is commonly denoted by using will before the present form of the verb. In future time, will is used in form of present form of the verb. Example, will plus run, will plus find. Let's practice. The present form of some verbs are given in the first column of the table given below. Write how the verb express past time, future time. Okay, so in this exercise what you can see, verb in the present form is there. All these are verb in present form in first column. Verb in the past form, we have to write verb in the past form. After that, the third column is what? Verb expressing the future time. Future. In English, verbs do not have a future form. In English, verbs do not have a future form. So at that time, what we have to use? W-I-L, will. Will plus run, will run. Will plus find, will find. So did you follow, children? Verbs in the present form are in this first column. Verbs in the past form second column, and with expression the future in English, verbs do not have future form. Now over here verbs are given. We have to make it in past and then we have to make it in future. So verbs in the present form. First is already done. J-U-M-P, jump. So it is jumped. Will jump. Laugh. Past of laugh is laughed and future will be will laugh. Swim, present, past swam, future will swim. Present cook, past cooked, future will cook. Present sleep, past slept, future will sleep. sing present, past sang, future will sing. So did you notice children over here in future will is we have to add to make it future time. Now read the passage given below, circle the verbs in the present time and underline the ones in the future time. What we have to do? We have to circle the verb one in present time and we have to underline the verbs who are in future time. Okay. So let us start. My eldest brother studies in a boarding school. Now you can see studies is what it is talking about present time. So we have circled studies. In his school, the students get up early. So get up we have circled, it is a present form. They are showing the action just now, the students are doing it. They go for a run in the morning. So go we have circled, they go for a run in the morning. Get up is there, students go. School starts at 7:30 we have circled. Then all children participate, circle on participate in after school activities. They work hard but they also have lots of fun. So dear children, did you notice the first passage, the first paragraph is about present tense. It shows the present time. Now we'll read the second one. My elder brother will study. Will study is what? Future time. So we've underlined in a boarding school. In his school, students will get up. Will get up is what? Future time. They will go for a run. So will go for a run in the morning is the future time. School will start at 7:30. All children will participate in after school activities. They will work hard but they will also have lot of fun. So in the second paragraph children, this one B1 second passage, it talks about future time. It talks about future time. What it says, it talks about future time. And the first passage is about the present time. About the present time. So did you follow students? The first one it talks about present time and the second one talks about future time. Now we'll go to the next page. 5555. 5555. Use the correct form of verbs given in bracket to complete this passage. Remember to use will for the future. Use the correct forms of the verbs given in bracket to complete this passage. We have to use will for the future. Okay, now first one. We will have a mask party in our school next week. So with have I've used will. So the sentence becomes we will have a mask party in our school next week. Our class wants the theme to be under the sea. Students of our class will dress in one of these three types of costumes. See over here costumes are given and students will get dressed up in this type of costumes. Any kind of fish, a mermaid or Neptune. The king of the sea, Gaurav, will come as an electric eel. Jamal will be a goldfish and Rajita and I will enter it as Neptune. We will decide that tomorrow. So over here you can see in the bracket the verbs are given. Decide, arrive, go, be, come, dress, have. So we have not changed them. But to make it future we have to use will. What did we use? Will. So once again we will read the passage. We will have a mask party in our school next week. Our class wants the theme to be under the sea. Under the sea is their theme. So see you can how they have dressed themselves. The students of our class will dress in one of these three types of costumes. Any kind of fish, a mermaid, or Neptune. The king of the sea, Gaurav, will come as an electric eel. Jamal will be a goldfish, and Rajat will enter as mermaid. There is a debate on who will arrive as Neptune. We will decide that tomorrow. Complete the dialogues given below. Use the future expressions or simple present form of the words given in the bracket. What we have to use? Future expressions and simple present form. Mrs. Dikshit, we need some grocery. Can you buy some? Can you buy some? Over here we have to use in future expressions, otherwise we have to use it in simple present form. So this is a conversation. So dialogue it is. Mrs. Dikshit, Mr. Dikshit. All right, Mr. Dikshit. All right. Give me a list. I will get the things. Here it is saying you give me the list, and when I will go, I will get it. So that is will get is future, and give is the present form. And Anand, the movie will start at 6. Hurry up or we will be late. So you can see will start, will be. It is talking about future. Rita, I know the time. We will reach the theater before 6. What it says, I know the time and we will reach theater at 6, before 6. Anand, we will not find Anuradha in the crowd. Rita, I will call and tell her where we will wait. I will call and tell her where we will wait. So this conversation is about future time, and this conversation was about the present time. Remember, English has no future form of verbs. Before also I have told you that English has no future form for verbs. Will plus verb talk about events in the future. See, you can see will wait, will call, will not find, will start, will be, will get. So over here with verb we have to use will. So it becomes future time. What it becomes? It becomes future time. Now turn to page 55. Use this verb to write one sentence for the present time and one for the future time. Write present time, future time. Example is given. एक जो सेंटेंस है हमें फ्यूचर में लिखना है उसको, और दूसरा सेंटेंस हमें उसका प्रेजेंट में लिखना है और सेकेंड फ्यूचर में. एग्जाम्पल, ड्रीम. I dream of winning the best sports person award in school. That is present time. These boys will dream about tomorrow's game. That is future time. Drink. We drink lemonade on hot afternoon. We drink lemonade on hot afternoon. Present time. I will drink my favorite chocolate milkshake at the cafe. Future time. Cut. She cuts the loaf of bread into thick slices. Present time. The birthday boy will cut the cake in the evening. Future time. Write. My friend writes lovely poem. Present time. I will write an email to grandma tomorrow. That is future time. Climb. The electrician climbed up the pole to fix wire. That is future time. Present time. The groups of mountaineers will climb to the top of the hill by next week. That is future time. Clap. The boy claps his hand. That is present time. The entire auditorium will clap for you after your performance. So that is future time. So children, once again we will read. Dream. I dream of winning the best sports person award in school. Present time. These boys will dream about tomorrow's game. Future time. Drink. We drink lemon on hot afternoon. Present time. I will drink my favorite chocolate milkshake at the cafe. Future time. So you can see will is used. Over here, will is used for future time. Cut. She cuts the loaf of bread into thick slices. The birthday boy will cut the cake in the evening. Write. My friend writes lovely poem. I will write an email to grandma tomorrow. Climb. The electrician climbs up the pole to fix wires. The group of mountaineers will climb to the top of the hill by next week. Clap. The boy claps his hands. The entire auditorium will clap for you after your performance. So you saw in present time and future time. In future time we have to add will to the verb. So dear children, complete this work in your grammar textbook with neat and good handwriting. Thank you, students.